Hello everybody, welcome back to another beautiful tutorial video. I hope you are doing well and feeling healthy and wealthy. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your user account picture. So it is in a very easy and short video. Just follow me and you will learn in a seconds or in a 1 minute. Just go here, select control panel, or type here control panel. Select control panel from here and then go to user accounts. From this user account, so I want to change this picture from my user account. Just go here and then these two options you can change your picture. First option, take a photo. Just if you click here, then you can take picture with your laptop camera. So I don't recommend this option, so I choose this one. Just choose a file from your computer, browse here, and I select this beautiful picture. I'll choose this picture. Now you can see that the picture has changed. So next time when you turn on your computer, you can see this picture on screen on your user account. So this is all from this tutorial video. If you have any questions, so just comment in the comment section and ask your question and share your thoughts and feelings about my videos. And I all request you to just subscribe my YouTube channel and share my videos with your friends and family in your social accounts. And till next video, have a good time. See you in the next video. Have a good time. Bye bye.